In primetime news this evening, how much does the government intend to spend this year? The estimates of the expenditure tabled in Parliament. Governor General delivers throne speech. So what's new this time round? We have team coverage of the ceremonial opening of Parliament. And PNP councillor crosses the floor to join the Jamaica Labour Party. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Janella, and staying on the budget theme, the JUTC is projecting a loss of almost $6 billion in the next fiscal year. We'll tell you why.
All right, thanks, Milton. From Milton, we go to Jordan, who has what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, the slow progress of upgrade work on the Montego Bay Sports Complex has angered at least one stakeholder. But the sports minister has sought to allay those concerns. I'll tell you what she's saying in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the decision by PNP councillor for the Trafalgar Division, Kari Douglas, to switch to the Jamaica Labour Party?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.